Hey, welcome back. Speech recognition. All right, so back for the second cipher of the day, and hopefully you are all doing well. Uh, yeah, I've just spent like the break between the first set and this set of ciphers, just trying to do all this like cloud stuff, and just time went by so quickly. I think I'm almost there, but this reminds me on why I don't do cloud stuff. So it's a lot. So hopefully getting there little by little. So hopefully you are getting ready to get started on whatever it is that you're working on. Please let me know in the chat room if you'd like. Let me know what you're working on. And don't forget, if you ever need any help or anything, there's the Hako. So if you get stuck, and Hako is help a creator / coder out. And pretty much you just click it. It creates like a room for you, and where you can invite people in and you can share your screen. And the hope is that together you're able to figure out the issue or what have you, or maybe you're looking to get feedback on something. Just, a quick way of being able to see what's going on. Also, if there is anything that you're working on, you don't know what you're working on, you don't have a thing, you don't have an it, we have tutorials in the tutorial section, so feel free to check those out. Again, full disclosure, I work at Vonage. I'm a JavaScript developer advocate, so some of the tutorials are stuff like I work on, so I'm putting them out there for people to check out. And if you have any issues, please let me know, because I'm kind of like, I want to make sure it's good and everybody is able to get the tutorials and get the goals accomplished, So, all right. What else? Oh, and then if you're new to coding and you're like, oh, I want to check out this coding thing I've been hearing about, I've got a couple of links to Free Code Camp and the Odin Project. So I hear those are good places to start to learn how to code and things. So to see if you kind of dig it, and they're free. So yeah. All right. So there's that. So we spoke about Hako tutorials. Now, if you do have a thing and you want to kind of share it and talk about it, we do have the show and tell. So they're kind of like lightning talks where you can just sign up, come on for like 5-10 minutes and talk about what it is that you're working on. And so there's that. Cool. What else? I'm trying to think. My brain is still working on this cloud stuff. I had to port forward stuff from this thing to this thing. So what I'm running locally is accessible to other places. And then even though I have it deployed and I see it, I don't know if the ports to where I deployed it to are open. So that's what I was testing locally. So I don't know. I'll hopefully have something to show, even if it's locally or what have you. I got it kind of working, not necessarily with the camera that I want. I didn't really test it, but yeah, a lot of stuff. So shouts to any cloud engineers and everything out there, because you all do a lot. So I just I'm using Google Cloud, and I look at the dashboard and I'm like, there's a lot of stuff here that I normally just use like a Firebase or something, and it's just a lot more succinct because there's like guide rails and stuff. So, but for this project that I'm working on, so everything here, so untilit.works, I believe is at a stable place as far as the code and things are working. Shout out to Tanya. There was an issue with the hashtags being in the to-do list, the done list, when you tweet it out. Got that fixed, I believe. So check that out. Thank you, Tanya, again. And so if there's anything, little weird things that pop up, feel free to let me know, please, and I will get that worked out. But for right now, everything seems to work. Like the whole video, once I hit end broadcast, it does what it needs to do in the background. So it gets uploaded to the videos page. The descriptions are all automatically generated. As far as I can tell, everything's working great. So yeah, so I decided I'm going to work on another side project that I've been meaning to do. And that's included with that is this whole, I'm doing like a media server thing where I can stream to from a camera and then pull that up. So yeah. Spoke about it in the last section. So that's one of the previous videos. So you can go to the videos page and check that out. But yeah, cool. So working on that. Please let me know if there's anything that you're working on. Again, feel free to use any of the resources that are on the site. I think that's pretty much everything. So probably give you all some more time so that I can go and work on this thing. But hopefully next break session, I'll have a demo of what I've been working on. And so the plan is to take video feed from my phone, pipe it to an rtmp server, and then show that in the dashboard that I got set up. So yeah. And maybe if I can, the actual camera, well, it's not the camera I want to use, but it's a separate camera that I spoke about in the last cipher. So we'll see. It's a whole lot of stuff. And yeah. All right. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all once again. We're going to be out of here. Yeah, cool. So thank y'all. Feel free to hit me up if you need anything. And yeah, don't forget, if you want to do a show and tell, we only have 2 break sessions. So if you want to do one, let me know. All right. Or if you want to set one up in the future or what have you. All right. Cool. So let me set this up and give you some more time back, because I'm probably going to go over trying to show what I got working. So be prepared for that. So again, thank y'all for hanging out. I'm going to be out of here. I'm just getting my timer thing set up right. Cool. All right. Share my screen. But again, anything, let me know if you need any help with anything. All righty. Cool. Hopefully this is a productive time for you. And word. Good luck. Talk to you later. All right.
I want to say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I want to say thank you for being there when a brother had nowhere to turn to. You were there, and I feel like yeah. And everybody says yeah. We spread love like yeah. I want to say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong.